are you? My name is Glenn Hughes. I am a licensed realtor. I am a general contractor, and I am a licensed PMP, project manager professional. So the purpose of this video is to kind of give you some pros and cons about the community. Before we get started, I just want you to know that doing business with 23 Homes is a snap. You could reach us at www.23homes.com. And the first criteria about moving into a community is proximity to your work. Same thing if you're dating. You know, if you got two boyfriend and girlfriends on opposite sides of town, one is going to start to, move to the other house, or you kind of compromise and come someplace in the middle. Same thing is with your house. What we know is that if you live more than 40 minutes away from your work, chances are you're going to get uncomfortable and you're going to think about moving closer to your work. So this video is not tremendously entertaining. However, what I've done is I've taken a lot of information about communities and I've put that into a video at the end, and I'm going to review with you the structure of those videos. So the first thing is the title of this particular video is what you probably clicked on. That's what kind of got you excited about it. In a few moments, you're going to see a video at the end here that has the name of the community, and it's going to look something like this. Now, however, as doing a pros and cons video, even though it's not the most entertaining type of engaging video, at the end, the video that I've created for you has all the information about this community in about a 60-second type of overview. Right after you see the title, I'm going to give you the date, and that's going to look something like this. That will show you how fresh the information is. I've got over about 6,000 videos here on YouTube, and they go back a couple years. So knowing what the date is really important. Then after that, I'm going to give you the home price, and that looks something like this, the average home price. The average home price is important because what we want to do is align your budget with the home price within that community. Nonetheless, even if you cannot afford to live in that community, there's other things that we can do to afford to live in that house. For example, we could start looking at condos or townhouses, because what we want to do is we want to align your budget with the average home price. And then after that, you're going to see this chart over here. And this chart here is for 2020. It shows you how the interest rates have crept up over the last year, and then how your buying power has decreased. However, if you're paying cash, that's a whole nother story. So if you can only afford $430, and the average home price is $700,000, that's a pretty big gap that we have to kind of circumnavigate, so to speak. So, but there's different strategies. So if you give me a call at 703-707-0334, we can discuss those strategy. After that, we're going to get the average home, average square feet for a house inside of here, inside this community. Here's why that's important. Let's say that you go to another website and you can see the square footage of that house. If you know the average square foot price, you just multiply it, and that gives you a good thumb in the wind of how much that house should be priced at. It also gives you a buying strategy, which is really important. Remember, if you love the community and you're well qualified, but you don't have that finance is too low, we can help you out to find something that matches. After that, we're going to go to the supply and demand, or shelf life. The shelf life is important because it tells you how many houses are on the market in that particular community, and then how quickly they're selling. So that's going to look like this, and that is super important because this tells you how quickly a house is coming on the market and going off the market, which means that you need to be able to pace yourself. So if houses are selling with 2 or 3 days, then you want to make sure that you're working really shoulder to shoulder with your real estate agent and you're getting an offer in immediately. The last piece of information is what is this community known for? So what we've done is we have taken information from Yelp, information from Google, and tells you we've got about 120 different interests that this community is known for, and you can see everything from reading books or politically involved, or cars if they like cars, or if they're into conservation of energy. We have a wide variety, but we give you the top 3 interests within this particular community. So that's the overview of the videos that you're going to be taking a look at as far as the pros and cons. Remember, the most important thing is proximity to your work, which we could help you do. The one after that people usually go for, if you have children, is schools, and we have got a great video on schools as well too. Remember, my name is Glenn Hughes. I can be reached at 703-707-0334. We are licensed in Maryland, Virginia, and DC. We have the best home inspectors, the best lenders, the best settlement companies, the best attorneys, the best accountants. Give us a call. Of course, contractors as well too. We have a bunch of other videos out there. And remember, doing business with 23 Homes is a snap. Bye now. Hi, I'm Glenn.
Hi, I'm Gift.
If you or someone you know is looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate here in the DC area, we want to talk to you.
Contact us, and we also are licensed in Maryland, DC, and Virginia. Would love to serve you.
Call us at 703-707-0334, or you can visit us on the web at 23homes.com.